Hello mga ka-fitness! Nandito na naman tayo sa ating Balik-Alindog program. Nung first time ko, sobrang hirap. Pero today, second round na and mas madali na siya. Practice makes progress, diba? Isa sa mga goals ko dito is mapalakas ang upper body strength ko, pati na rin ang grip strength. Kasi sa aerial yoga, kailangan mo talagang mag-pull at mag-hold gamit ang mga kamay at arms. Pero hindi lang katawan ang pinapalakas natin dito. Aerial yoga helps me clear my mind, release stress, and focus on the present moment. At syempre, hindi din mawawala ang saya. Aerial yoga is not just a workout, it's a fun and uplifting experience. Oh no, wait! Hilo na yata tong kamamshi ko. Kung gusto mo ring subukan, you can start with the beginner class. And listen to your body, trust the process, let's stay healthy inside and out.